CB2 offers full-spectrum CBD oil in 2 different strengths: medium strength 2% oil and high strength 5% oil. If you're new to CBD, start with the medium strength 2% oil and work your way up to the higher strength 5% oil. We recommend a half pipette to a full pipette once or twice daily. Slowly build your dosage to find the right balance and benefit for your mind and body. Simply place the oil under your tongue and hold for 30 to 60 seconds or until the oil is absorbed. For best results, we recommend taking CBD at the same time every day as part of your daily routine, either early in the day or in the evening before bed. Try keeping a journal to track the results, and then you can adjust the time of day and quantity as you need.